Hello and welcome back to Unlock B2 English. I'm Sarah. Mark, did you know that half of the world's population spends an average of 2.5 hours a day scrolling through social media? It's astonishing, yet most English learners still rely on basic verbs to talk about it.
It's true. They say, I put a photo on the internet instead of I uploaded a post or I shared a story. That's the difference between B1 and B2 English.
Exactly. Today, we're unlocking the precise, dynamic vocabulary you need to discuss the digital world, starting with the biggest phenomenon, something that goes viral. How would you explain that concept in a more advanced way?
I'd say a piece of content, whether a video or a meme, reaches saturation point extremely rapidly. It gains traction in a matter of hours, often because the platform's algorithm has prioritized it.
And that word, algorithm, is key. It's the invisible hand that dictates what we see. For content creators, understanding it is how they monetize their channel. That's a term we use frequently now.
Monetizing isn't just making money. It's the strategic process of turning views into revenue, usually through brand partnerships or direct advertising. It's high-level business vocabulary.
Another essential term is engagement. A creator doesn't just want likes, they want to boost engagement. What are some tactics they use to achieve that?
They might ask probing questions in their caption to elicit comments, or perhaps they run a quick poll. The goal is active interaction, not passive viewing.
Moving on to the darker side of the internet, we have all encountered those negative comments, people who deliberately try to start arguments. What's the specific term for that action?
That's trolling. It's someone intentionally being provocative or offensive. And when a celebrity or a brand says something controversial, they often face significant backlash from their community.
Backlash is a fantastic collocation. You don't just get criticism, you face backlash. That sounds much more natural. Now, what about the compulsive negative scrolling we all do?
That's doomscrolling. I'm guilty of that, especially late at night. You find yourself consumed by one terrifying headline after another.
A great advanced verb for that is consumed. We are consumed by the news cycle. It shows a stronger feeling than just saying, I read the news.
Let's finish on something positive. We mentioned a post. What if you want to share a post and add your own thoughts right there, immediately commenting on the original message?
That's a quote tweet on X, formerly Twitter. It gives your audience context and your opinion simultaneously. It's an efficient way to join a digital conversation.
And on platforms like TikTok or Instagram, creators are focused on snackable content. It's short, easily digestible, and perfect for when you only have a minute to spare.
Precisely. So whether you are analyzing the latest trend or discussing the challenges of content monetization, you now have the B2 level vocabulary to sound informed and fluent.
That's right. Now, if you want to deepen your command of everyday English, be sure to listen to our previous episodes, like episode 51, where we tackled the complex world of phrasal verbs with get. We're here every week to help you unlock your B2 English.